Hello, this is Nindy Kerr, and welcome to another video from Nindy's Creative Corner. Today we will be learning to use the bundle Flower Friendship, which has the Flower Friendship stamp set and the Flower and Leaves punch. And it's a builder punch. A builder punch means that it has more than one, you can punch out more than one image from the same punch, but it can be a little tricky. So let's get started and I'll show you how. I have written on my punch, the large flower needs a 1.5 inch strip, the small flower needs a 1 1/4 inch strip, and the leaves, the large one needs 3/4 of an inch, and I just did the same for the small. Now you'll need to pay attention to how the image is positioned on the punch, because that is how you'll need to stamp it. So remember to unlock your stamp, and I've pre-cut some cardstock, so we will do our stamping first. So our large flower is, well, we're using Gorgeous Grape ink, and I think that's Highland Heather. I just pulled it from my scrap pile. Now notice the punch, in the punch the flower goes like a plus sign, so we will do that. We'll just punch a couple of them. And our small flower, it goes like a X. And this one will need to leave a little further apart because the leaves interfere. Now let's do the leaves. Here's the large leaf, and the, I don't know, the not straight part of the image goes this direction. And since it's on this side, we're going to want to start stamping on that side. And you will see why. We'll do a couple. Oops, press too hard. There we go. And the small image, we'll need its detailed side this direction. And since it's on this side, we'll need to start stamping on this side. You'll see why in a minute. Okay, we'll punch out our large flower first. Now put the punch in the position you want it. And lay it down, get it positioned how you want inside the punch. Hopefully I'm doing this good. Well, I am going to hold it up so I can see it better. And I like to kind of hold it down before I move my hand so the cardstock will stay in place. Okay, press down and then punch. Now let's try our small flowers. Now with the flowers, it really doesn't matter which way you go. But I have found that with these, I can't angle the cardstock at all. But you want to make sure that you don't punch off your second flower. I guess this one works better if you stamp from the other direction. So we will just stamp a different flower. So we'll need to stamp about 1 inch apart for these. And let's get this over here. I guess I forgot about that when I was practicing. Or you can angle the punch a little bit and maybe that will help. I mean the stamp a little bit, maybe that will help. Okay, there we go with our flowers. Now let's do our large leaf. Oh, did I do it the wrong way? I did do it the wrong way. Oh, that's the small leaf. Okay. Just line it up. And this is why you have to do it going a certain direction. Because otherwise you'll be cutting off the parts you want, like we did with that one flower. And if you get cardstock stuck in there, just punch and kind of shake and it will come out. Now for our small flower. I'd still be happier doing it on this direction. And there we have it. So now you know how to use the Flowers of Friendship bundle, and this with the stamps along with the punch. So I hope this helps you with your crafting projects, and see you next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.